Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make this half granny diamond. This is a part of a project I'm making. It's a triangle shape, but it's a long triangle shape from the sides, which is a half granny triangle. So I'm doing the granny triangle as well for the next project. So I need for some of the sides to make the half granny diamond. So I'm gonna share with you how to make it if you're interested or you have any project including granny diamonds. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5mm crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot. You can start with a magic circle if you wish, and I'm gonna chain 4. In the fourth chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, okay. I'm gonna chain 4, okay, and turn. So in the fourth, this is the fourth double crochet, previous one. Between this fourth double crochet and the 3 previous double crochet, I'm gonna work 3 treble crochet. So I'm gonna yarn over twice, insert the hook into the space, pull through once, pull through twice, pull through 3 times, yarn over twice, repeat, pull through, and pull through. The third treble, same. So I've got 3 treble crochet in the space with a chain 4. Now in the corner I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same corner. Now we've got 4 double crochet. Again, what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the 3 double crochet, and before the last we're gonna work 4 trebles. So yarn over twice and work my treble crochet, second treble, third, and fourth. Okay. And the reason we're making 4 trebles is because the one over here will be the space for the next 3 trebles. So basically what you need to remember for this tutorial, we start with the treble crochet cluster. Cluster means 3 stitches, yeah, 3 stitches in a space, and we continue in the spaces we're creating, the small spaces, with 3 double crochet in each. The corners will always be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and the last space is always 4 trebles. So starting with trebles, ending with trebles. So we give the long shape of the diamond granny triangle, a diamond half triangle or half diamond. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to the next round to show you. Chain 4 again, and in this space 3 trebles. So with the chain 4 it's 4. 1, 2, 3, and then the next space 3 double crochet. So the trebles are only in the beginning. In the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And again in the next space 3 double crochet, and in the last space over here, after the 3 trebles, I'm gonna make 4 trebles, treble crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is how it looks so far. You just continue the same. So now we have new spaces created. In those spaces is only 3 double crochet each. In the corner, as always, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And in the beginning and end of the round, the last spaces is starting with chain 4 and 3 trebles in the space, and ending in the last space with 4 trebles. That's all you need to remember for this half diamond, half granny diamond. Very pretty and very nice to make and to learn. Very easy as well. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it useful and easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.